This is the testing of the Modbus for a problem where you say there's a delay in the Modbus Master. So what I've done is connected two Modbus here. One is a Modbus slave, one is a Modbus Master. So the Modbus Master is connected to the Modbus slave, so they are both working together in the same system. Right? So in this way we can check what is happening, whether there's a delay or not. So for this number 4, this is a hide this. This is the master, and it's at 19.2 kilobytes. Right. This is the slave, and it's also at 19,200. So they are connected to each other. And let me show you the master. This is what is Modbus to comfort is polling for these registers, right? It's polling for these registers, 4 for the time being, but if more also, it makes no difference. Okay, so we go to the monitor mode to see how fast it's polling. Right, you see it's pretty fast, there's no delay at all. Right? We can also do the same in the slave monitor mode. You'll see that it has the same data, except that input and output is different. So it's pretty fast. Now, I'm monitoring the register monitor. So counter 1 and 2 is, one is on the slave, one is for the master. So when I change this here, this will change because of the master to slave. Right? So if I change this here, 10, let's say, I can change it to 100. You can see this become 100 almost immediately. Right? Here, the same thing. I can change to minus 100. Right? It becomes minus 100 very fast. This counter and 2 are linked by Modbus. So I can change it to 0. You can see it becomes 0 very fast. Right? And I can change it here to 1000. Right? And it becomes 1000 very fast. Now, the flag 3 and 4 is linked to the output 4 and 5 by the Modbus. I can change it to on. You see this becomes on. Here I can change it to on. Here also becomes on very fast. So there's no delay at all. There's very little delay. Right? You can look at my the Modbus Master. Alright, so holding register 1, it goes to counter 3. Holding register 2 goes to counter 4. But on the Modbus slave, the counter 3 and 4 is linked to holding register 1. Holding register 1 in the slave is counter 1. Holding register 2 is counter 2. Similarly, this is linked to the other. So by looking at the register monitor, you can see how fast it is. Alright, so that is the test that we have done.